Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I am going to show you how I do a fiberglass strand nail. And it's the first one that I ever did. So I'm excited for you to see it and see how it turned out. And I am going to be using all of Madam Glam's products to do this, including their Sun 5 lamp. The fiberglass strands were bought elsewhere. Madam Glam does not carry those. These are Madam Glam's builder gels in a bottle. I will be using light beige, and then I will be using light pink, and Pure Serenity, which is their clear builder gel in a bottle, the base gel, and the no wipe top coat. I've already done my prep work. If you want to see how I prep nails, follow the arrow. The video will be up in the right hand corner. I am applying my dehydrator to my nail right now. Now the primer, and then the base gel, and I will cure it for 30 seconds. I'm just going to move the lamp to the edge of the table so that I can cure my thumbs. It's just easier for me that way. Now I'm going to take the clear builder gel in a bottle, and I'm going to apply a layer of that to my nails, and then I will apply the fiberglass. And I just keep the layer kind of thin right now, but not too thin. You want those fibers to stick into that gel. And I am just fanning out this fiberglass so that it will fit my thumbnail. And I just kind of keep sizing it up. And now I'm going to place it onto the nail, into that wet gel, into that uncured gel. And this is the tool that I'm using to smooth down my fiberglass here. And I will leave the link to this tool in the description box below, along with the strands and Madam Glam's link. And take advantage of the coupon code that you see on the screen. You can get 30% off your order at Madam Glam because their products are just amazing. You will love Madam Glam. And what I do with this tool is I just kind of spread out the fiberglass strands, making sure they're even all throughout the nail. And I can add more builder gel when I want, anytime I want. You know, you can add, so there's no sense of really putting on a lot of the gel in the beginning because you just don't need to. And do you see how the fibers turn clear? They become invisible. That's because they're soaking up all that clear gel. And that's what you want. You want them to soak up the gel and become transparent. And I just keep smoothing it down into place and bringing it over towards the side wall. I want you to watch this area right here. You can see it looks a little bit white. Now I'm going to apply some more gel, and you're going to see the fibers just soak up that gel. And that's what you want. The fibers soak up the gel. Do you see that? It becomes transparent. The strands become transparent, and that's what you want. That way you know that it's soaking up the gel, and there will be good adhesion when you cure it. Just a few more adjustments, and then I will go ahead and cure this for 1 minute. And now I'm just cutting off the excess strands, and make sure you have some really sharp scissors or nippers. My scissors were not as sharp as I wanted them to be, but it did work. And there's even enough fibers left to do another nail. I'm going to use the light beige, and I'm going to apply that on the nail bed. And I want to try to make this into like a pink and white, a soft pink and white. So I use this on the nail bed, and I'm just floating a little bit of gel here around the cuticle area just to fill in where the ridge of the fiberglass strands are. That you can see that there's a little ridge there. Be sure to clean out any excess gel that might get down in the cuticle area. You want to keep that clean. And I think that's looking pretty good for the nail bed area. Now I'm going to take the light pink, and I'm just going to apply that to the tip. And none of the gel has been cured yet. I just want to apply the light pink it kind of looks more white than it does pink. And now I've decided to go back in with the light beige, and I still have not cured anything yet. I'm wanting to get that nice sort of pink and white look, but a soft one that you see these Brazilian nail techs doing. And once I get it where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 1 minute. I'm going to clean out the cuticle area and go ahead and cure this now. I think it looks pretty good. Now that the top is cured on the nail, I'm going to go ahead and apply the gel underneath the nail, and then I will cure it. And you know what? I was trying to figure out when was the right time to pinch this nail, and I tried to pinch it after I applied the gel from the underneath, and I just had a hard time trying to pinch it. I should have pinched it before I applied the gel here. But we live and we learn. The gel has been cured now, and I am not seeing much definition between the tip and the nail bed color. So I want more definition in the tip. So I need a little bit more of a brighter white. I decided to mix my own, and I'm going to use a little bit of the clear builder gel and then some of the color Perfect White from Madam Glam, and make a more brighter white tip color. And I will just stir that a little bit, and then I will apply it to the tip area. And I'm applying it just a little bit thicker, just right around the tip area. And then I'm going to take my brush and clean it, clean the smile line and define it. I just go in there and kind of clean that brush off and then define that smile line more. And once I have this done, I will go ahead and cure that for 1 minute. And now I'm going to just give the tip area one more layer of the white color, and I'll cure that for 1 minute. And that is what it's looking like so far, and I'm really liking it. And now I'm just going to go in and take the light beige and go over the nail and sort of soften everything up. And because I have that little bit of my nail that is yellowy looking, and I want to cover that up. So I'm going to apply 2 layers of this light beige builder gel. And I want to go underneath again so that this has a lot of strength to it, and then I will cure underneath 1 more minute. And now it needs 1 more layer of the light beige, and I think that'll do it. It's really starting to look pretty good. I like it. I just wish I would have had that white color already figured out when I started. It would have saved me a little bit of time. Or, you know, what would be even faster is if you just used 1 solid color like the light beige. But you know me, I just had to be different, and I had to try a soft pink and white. I cured the top part of the nail, and now I'm coming in and doing the underside of the nail, and I will cure that for 1 minute. The nail is completely done, and now I'm filing it and shaping it up. And I think so far it looks really good, and I am pretty pleased with it. I will finish my filing and I will be back. And now I am going to do the top coating, and I'm using Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat. Here is the finished nail, and I must say I'm really impressed. I really like how it looks. It looks natural. It's not an overly thick nail. The apex looks really good. I'm really impressed. And the only thing that I don't like is the fact that I had problems on figuring out when was the appropriate time to pinch this nail, because it looks flat. As you can see right here, there's really no C curve here. it needed to be pinched more. But I think I know when to pinch it now. I think I should pinch it within the first 10 seconds of the first layer and not after you undercoat the underside, because that makes it even more stiff. Overall, I thought the process went pretty quick. I did try to do a soft pink and white, which took a little bit more time. If you use a solid color of gel, it's going to be even faster for you. I know that I'm not going to have any problem doing my left hand, but when I go to do my right hand, I know that would probably take a little bit more time. I do plan on doing a full set of these fiberglass strand nails in the future. Tell me in the comments, do you like the fiberglass strand nail? Would you try it? So tell me what you think about it. And thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.